Hi students, in this video I'll be going through the 2010 O-Level Additional Mathematics Paper 1 question 4. Right, so let's read the question. A curve has the equation y equals to sine 2x minus 3 cosine x. Find the gradient of the curve when x equals to pi over 6. Okay, so basically what we need to do for this question is to find dy dx, which is the gradient function, and then sub x equals to pi over 6 into the dy dx, and we will be able to find the gradient at x equals to pi over 6. Alright, so let's do that. So y is equals to sine 2x minus cosine x. Okay, so differentiate. Okay, if you differentiate sine, you end up with positive cosine 2x. They differentiate the angle. The angle is now 2x, right? Differentiate, you get 2, you put the 2 in front. Okay, if you differentiate cosine, you get negative sine. Okay, which means that our dy dx is 2 cosine 2x plus 3 sine x, right? Okay, so now we're going to sub pi over 6 inside when x equals to pi over 6. Okay, dy over dx is going to be equal to 2 cosine 2 times pi over 6 plus 3 sine pi over 6, right? Okay, so 2 times pi over 6 will give you pi over 3 plus 3 sine pi over 6. Okay, pi over 3 is 60 degree. Pi over 6 is, if you convert to degree, is 30, right? So if you recall, both 60 and 30 are special angles. Okay, so what will we get for cosine 60? So if you recall, cosine 60 is going to give you half, right? So we can replace this by half. By the way, if you forget, you can actually just key into a calculator, okay? Because in this question, they didn't say that you can't use your calculator. Okay, then sine 30 is also half, so we will get half. Okay, so from here, you will be able to get answer of 2.5. Right, so the gradient of the curve at x equal to pi over 6 is actually 2.5, okay, 2.5. Okay, let's look at part B of the question. Okay, so given that x is increasing at a rate of 0.06 units per second, find the rate of change of y when x equals to pi over 6. So now the question takes a turn. It becomes a rate of change question. So for rate of change question, if you recall, we always try to summarize the whole question in one statement. Okay, so what do they want us to find? Find the rate of change of y, which means that they want us to find dy dt, right? So find dy dt, okay, and then we write down some of the info that they have given to us when x is increasing at a constant rate of 0.06. So this is dx dt. Okay, when dx dt equals to 0.06 units per second and x equals to pi over 6. Okay, so after you have written down this statement, okay, summarize the entire thing in one statement. The next thing to do will be to write down the connected equation. Okay, so always write the thing that you want to find on the left side, right? Okay, then write down the thing that already given to you, which is dx dt. You just ask yourself one simple question. What must dx dt be multiplied with to give you dy dt? Okay, so since we want dy dt, dy on top, so here must have dy. Okay, dt is already at the bottom here, so we need to get rid of the dx, so we multiply dx below. Right, so in this case, we need to find dy dx when x equals to pi over 6. But if you recall, we have already found that earlier on already. Okay, when x equals to pi over 6, dy dx is actually 2.5. Okay, so we have actually found this value to be 2.5 already. Okay, so now we can actually just sub in all the numbers and then we'll get our answer. So dx dt is 0.06, right? So 0.06 times, okay, dy dx is 2.5. So if you multiply together, then you get 0.15 units per second. Okay, so it's just like this. Okay, so this is a rather a simple question now, okay, with regards to the differentiation of triple function as well as the rate of change, right?